Hey, this is Will from LifterLMS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a review for LifterLMS on the WordPress repository. We really appreciate it. So if you navigate to the WordPress listing for LifterLMS, just click on here, you'll find this page, and then under Reviews, right here in the middle, you can leave a review if you're already logged in. If you already do have a WordPress.org account, just log in the upper right-hand corner. If you don't, you can register for an account for free. I'll just register for an account real quick. Enter your username, email, and create account. It will ask for your website. Let me just throw LifterLMS.com on there. I'm not going to fill the rest of this out. And awesome, so I should get a confirmation link in my email. All right, here's my email with the link. And I can set a password. That works for me. Create account. Awesome. So now that I have an account, I can leave a review. I'm going to navigate back over to the LifterLMS listing under Reviews. And awesome. Now I'm logged in and I can leave a review. You can say Add My Review right there on the right-hand side. And then give LifterLMS 1 to 5 stars, review title, quick message, and submit. Thank you for taking the time to leave a review for LifterLMS. It really helps motivate the team and help others find out about Lifter.